Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena. Today we're gonna unboxing this AVANTE MKIII, the 25 years anniversary Korean special, the item number 92422. Okay, so let's open it, see what's inside. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body is clear black. Okay, you can see my finger after that, and you can see it's clear black. And here's the stickers, and here the sticker you can see for the 25 years anniversary, and here's over on top, and both sides of the body. Okay, and this is the body, and this is the instruction. Okay, and now it's like it makes like a book right now. Okay, so it looks better than what we had it before. Okay, and then we talk about the chassis, and the chassis is MS chassis. Remember this is MS, but it's not MSL. Okay, and the material for this one, it is ABS. You can see from here, ABS. Okay, and for my personal, I would like to have the MS chassis better than the MSL for some reason, like my personal reason. It doesn't really mean to there's something special, but to me, I like MS better. Okay, and this is the front and the rear part. Okay, and this is the parts. Okay, the motor holders and the battery lock and the battery gear cover, everything red. Okay, and the tire, medium size lettering, you can see the letters, and the material for this one is hard tire. Okay, and for the wheel, this one is the medium size, is carbon reinforced wheels. Okay, let's see, be able to see that. Okay, yeah, it's carbon reinforced medium-sized wheels. And then we talk about the gear ratio at 3.5 high-speed gear, and with 2 purple pinion gear and low friction plastic rollers. Okay, so this is everything for this unit, and let's see how it looks like after we build it. Okay, so this is the AVANTE MKIII 25th anniversary special, the Korean special. So this is, I would say this chassis, I'm not like this unit. If you like the MS chassis, not the MSL, I'm talking about the MS chassis. And also, if you're looking for the medium size carbon reinforced wheels, you probably can consider about this unit. But I know this unit is a little bit hard to find, because I think it's only selling in the Korean. But if you have any connection, let's say if you're in United States, you can talk to JT, I believe. There might something others people, they might have a connection to buy this kind of units. So if you're interested to get this too, let's say the chassis and the wheels, yeah, you can thinking to get the units. Okay, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button for me. I will see you next time. Bye bye.